In this video, we're going to discuss what happens when a lead comes in. You'll receive a notification on your phone that a lead just came in, and if you go to your app and click on leads in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see all your leads. We're going to color code the leads for you when they come in. Initially, they'll be gray, which means they're brand new. In 15 minutes, they will turn yellow, indicating they're getting old. In 60 minutes, it turns orange, and in 24 hours, it turns red. Once you've started contact attempts, it will turn green. When a lead comes in, you have a couple options. You can click the blue button to make a call, or you can click the green button to send a text. Both of those are going to use your phone's capabilities in order to do that. So if I wanted to work this lead, I could quickly send a call or a message, or I can click the arrow button and it's going to open up the entire record. And from here, I can call, text, or email as well. Now, these messages are going to be set where it says quick replies. You can find that by going to the accordion in the upper left-hand corner or going to the main screen by clicking on quick replies. Here, you can click the plus button to add a customized reply and then hit save, or a customized SMS and then hit save. This will allow you to do a quick interaction to that lead as soon as the lead comes in to get the conversation going.